Well, you've certainly heard us say it all day long. If you don't have to, don't get out there and be on the roads.
But one New Haven mom had no choice. She was going into labor right in the thick of that storm. News 8's Laura Hutchinson introduces you to today's precious blizzard baby.
Just walking in conditions like this is no fun unless you're a kid, but imagine you're a woman 9 months pregnant having to travel in this over and over again. They're all smiles now, but this New Haven mom has a story to tell. While Connecticut was hunkering down in the snowstorm, she was traveling back and forth to the hospital.
This is my third time coming in, and they told me I wasn't ready twice, and then the last time I had her, finally.
Wedelise Rodriguez thought her baby girl was on the way overnight before the flakes started flying. But no, this sweet baby girl wanted a more dramatic entrance. It wasn't until we were in the worst of it she was really ready.
Everyone's getting ready, but we had to shovel. And I couldn't wait any longer, so we left, my mom and my husband. And we made it here. Almost didn't make it, but we made it.
She finally got to the hospital for 8 a.m. and 44 minutes later, Carielis was here, but it was a close one.
I was screaming, telling them to hurry up, and I thought the baby was coming in the car. My water broke in the car.
You could say it was a stormy start to life this mom will never forget.